Today we're going to be cooking using the ingredients we roll on the dice.
So the rules are, we need to roll the dice 15 times. So if we roll the same ingredient, then we need to roll the dice again. And we need to use all the ingredients we got.
We roll the dice and whatever number we get the ingredient that is shown next to the dice. We're going to be using 4 dice, 1 digital dice and 3 normal dice. So I'll go first. I'll just use 3 dice. I rolled 9, I rolled 13. So I get cocoa powder. I'm going to roll with 1 dice and you got 1, which is mints.
Time now.
That's not a cup. That's not a measuring cup. 1 cup is like 1 cup measuring cup, not 1 cup.
You said roll cup.
1 cup as in 1 cup.
So I've actually made this recipe before, but eggless. But this time I got eggs, so I have to add eggs. And they're not telling me what they're doing. Just realized, but I was doing half a recipe. And I was supposed to use 1/4 cup of oil for half. But since I wrote it, I used half a cup of oil. And now it has too much oil. And the recipe doesn't involve butter, so I'm just gonna use a pinch of it and hopefully that counts. Okay. I just put it in the pan and I realized I hadn't used my coffee or my yogurt. And now I need to take it out and do it again, even though I already put it in the sink and now it's filled.
The cakes in the oven to bake.
Okay, I put my cake in the oven and I'm gonna make the chocolate frosting.
I did it.
You make it by yourself?
No.
How do you make it then?
My dad helped me.
Okay, so I put all of it on my cake and now my cake looks like this. But now we're going to cut our cake. Okay, so first we're going to try Mukund's cake. Really good. Okay, now we can move on to the next. Okay, so now we're going to cut my cake. Okay, try some of it. I don't know if that's the oil. Might be too much oil. Both cakes aren't great, but they're edible. Okay.